Hello friends, my name is Kumil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting videos of UiPath and RPA on this channel. So, to stay tuned, you can subscribe my channel. So, let us start with our today's topic. Actually, I have decided to take a very simple question where I'll show you that how you can add multiple calculations like addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction through the arguments through different sequences. So let us start with it. So first thing we'll take is an input dialog box. So we'll take input dialog here, where the first thing we'll do is we'll give it as a first number title, and then in label we'll write please enter the first number, and in the value we'll make one variable and name it as first number. This is the first input dialog. We'll take the second input dialog as well. So let us take the second input dialog. Here we'll give it as in second number. And video label, please enter the second number. And in the value, we'll make one variable named as second number. Then we will make new sequence name addition. So here in the sequence, we'll take one assign activity. Before this, we need to understand this first number and second number. Now, by default, the value will be string, variable type will be string, but we need to give it as an integer as we are doing the calculation type. Then we'll come up to the second sequence we have made, that is addition, where we will make one argument named as out addition. And in this, our direction will be out and argument type will be integer. Okay. Then out addition equals to. So we will add two numbers. That is in the first sequence, as we have taken two input dialog here. So the first thing, first input dialog is first number and the second one is second number. So here we need to make two arguments. The first one will be in first number and plus, because we are adding, we'll put the sign of plus. Then we'll make a second argument, that is in second number. So we are ready with our argument. So now we'll see all the values are by default integer here. So here we need to go to the project panel, and as we can see, we have one XAML file named addition. We'll take it here. But before this, do one thing. Whatever coding we have done, we need to save all the things so that the arguments we have made there, we can import them here. So here we can see out addition in first number, in second number, the direction of all those things. So in out addition, we will make one variable and we will name it as addition. Then we have one variable already made first number. We'll put it here. And the second variable we have taken is second number. We'll put it here. Okay. Then we'll take one message box. I need to see. All right. We need to change the second number as an integer. So now this error should be gone. Yeah. Now we'll take one message box here and we will give the name as addition. Okay. Then we'll make a new sequence and we will name this new sequence as subtraction. Here also we will take assign activity and our first argument will be out subtraction. Okay. And we need to see that the argument value, the direction must be out and the argument type must be integer. Okay. Then value to save. So we'll make the first argument name will be in first number like we did it in addition. Okay. Then we'll take a minus sign, that is a subtraction sign. Then we'll make a new argument and name it as in second number. Okay. And we need to check it. We need to change the argument type to integer. Okay. The direction of both the arguments will be in. So we are ready with this as well. So here we'll take a new XAML we made, that is subtraction. And before this, we will save the subtraction sequence. Coming back to the main sequence, import argument. Here we will make a new variable name subtraction. Okay. And in the first number, we already have one variable named first number. And in the second number, we also have a variable named second number. Okay. We will also check the variable type, that is all integer, then cool. Now we will take one message box to display the subtraction and the variable we made, that is subtraction, we will put the name here. That's it. Then we'll make a new sequence for multiplication. Here also we'll do the same thing, just within multiplication sign. So our new sequence is ready. We will take assign activity here as well. Here we'll make one argument name out multiplication, as the direction will be out. Yeah, that was correct. Okay. In the argument, we'll see and we'll change the argument type to integer. Good. Then value to save in this will make again the one argument name as in first number, and we use the star mark for multiplication. So we'll make a new argument name as in second number. We'll check the argument type as we need to change it to string, the integer, and we also need to change the direction of out multiplication to out. Okay, we'll save it, go to the main, and we'll take the new XAML file that is of multiplication. We'll do the import. Here we'll make the new variable name multiplication, and we already have a first number and second number naming variables. Okay, we'll check the variable panel as well. Everything is integer, then fine. Then to display this calculation, we'll again take a message box. Here we will give it as multiplication. Okay. Then we will make a new sequence for division this time. Okay. So in this also we'll follow the same thing. First is assign activity. Where we will make a new argument out division. We'll check the argument type and direction. Direction will be out, and type will be integer. Then value to save, we'll take new argument in first number divide by a new first we'll save this, then divide by a new argument again in second number. Okay, so we'll check the argument panel. Direction is in. We need to change the argument type to integer. Now we will save this as well. We'll go to the main XAML main sequence. Now we'll take the division XAML here, where we will import our arguments. For out division, we'll make one variable that is division, and for first number and second number we already have variable that is of first number and second number. Okay, so to display this as well, we'll take message box here. Division. Okay, so our coding is ready. Now we just need to check if everything is fine. All the values are integer, and we have made already all the XAMLs ready. So now it's a time to run and see how the things are working. I'll debug this. Maybe it will take some time to run the activity. So now it is asking me for the first number. The first input dialog we used was for first number. So here you can see it will be written first number. Then we have written please enter the first number. So let us take 60 as in first number, so that and as we have taken multiple calculation, and even if we have included division, so it will be a proper thing. If you are practicing this, it will be very easy to take a first number greater than the second number. The calculation will be very easy and sorted. So I think I need to take it as 12. All right, the second number we have given is 12. So now the first thing we have done is addition, that is 60 plus 12, that is 72. Now it will show the subtraction. 60 minus 12, that is 48. Now multiplication, 60 multiply by 12, that is 720. And the last thing we taken was division. 60 divided by 12, that is 5. So our calculation is done. Our coding is done. So here we end our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.